Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this, just forget my palette knife, butterfly thing. Again, I will just pour my white base on. I hope that I have enough. I will not bother about my sides this time, because I don't know if I have enough white paint for my sides. I can do them later, so I will just try to spread this and see how much paint I have. I have some white in squeeze bottle left, but let's see if I can go a little over the sides just to cover this evenly. And as I said, I can work on my sides later, because I think that my butterfly will not fly over the edges of this canvas, so it should be okay if I just spread this around on this okie dokie. I did cover it a little bit, but not completely, but as I said, it's not so important. I can do this later on. And I have a glare again. Just a second. If I move this a little to this side, maybe you will not see a glare from. And today I will use bottom of a Coke, because I thought that maybe this can work better. I just hope that it will not go over the edges. I will pour some pearl white first, and let's add some gold. I will just do it with my sticks and see what will happen. Okay, and a little pearl white, and I just have these colors mixed up, so I will just use those. Some permanent blue violet, a little more for the upper wings, and a little pearl white again, and let's add some opera rose. Okay, and some primary yellow. And I will stop here because I will drag paint towards the middle with the napkin, so just dripped a little bit. Just afraid that my paint will go over the edge. So let me leave these to flow off. The bottom, and I will spray my napkin while this happening. And I'm just thinking how I should, maybe I should even do this and this and this way here. Let's see what will happen, if this will look like a butterfly. Where is the middle? Kind of here, I hope. And I'm still not sure what is the best way to lift my napkin. So I will try to do it the way that I did it last time. Kind of like this. Yay! I think that it looks much better than the first time. Where is my torch? And I'm just thinking that I will do just this. This, maybe a little more like here. And this will be all. I will not do any body or something. Maybe I should have done purple on the outside and a little less yellow, but I was just trying to get this part with wings right, so just want to fix this part just a little bit, maybe. Oop. I will mess it around, mess it totally if I will continue doing this, so I will leave it and take you for a close-up. I'm not completely happy with colors and everything, but still the best one that I did. I have some troubles with this part because I don't like it, but I have to figure out how to do this part. Maybe I should even do kind of a black line in the middle before I will put bottle bottom on, but other ways I'm happy. So definitely bottom of the bottle bottom work much better for a butterfly. So yay, I'm happy. So I will definitely try to improve this, but for the second try I think that it's gorgeous. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.